Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online class. This is Chaman Singh and today we will read Geography chapter 5 Major Domains of the Earth. Student, so now listen very carefully and try to learn difficult word meanings. Let's start. As you have read in the first chapter, the earth is only planet which has life. Human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements of land, water and air are present on the earth. Now the meaning of sustaining is to keep something और somebody alive or healthy अर्थात किसी चीज़ को जीवित या स्वस्थ बनाए रखना. The surface of the earth is a complex zone in which three main components of the environment meet, overlap and interact. So the meaning of complex is a group of connected parts often difficult to understand. अर्थात किसी चीज़ को समझना मुश्किल होना या कोई चीज़ जटिल होना या पेचीदा होना. The meaning of overlap is when two things overlap, part of one covers part of the other. अर्थात एक वस्तु द्वारा दूसरी वस्तु को ढक लेना. Okay. Now and the meaning of interact is to communicate, to have an effect on each other. अर्थात एक दूसरे पर प्रभाव डालना. The solid portion of the earth on which we live is called the lithosphere. The gaseous layer that surrounds the earth is the atmosphere, where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases are found. Water covers a very big area of the earth's surface and this area is called the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms, that is ice, water and water vapor. The biosphere is the narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of life. Now, the meaning of zone is an area that is different from those around it. अर्थात कोई विशेष स्थिति या कोई विशेष क्षेत्र. Lithosphere. The solid portion of the earth is called the lithosphere. It comprises the rocks of the earth's crust and the thin layers of soil that contain nutrient elements which sustain organisms. There are two main divisions of the earth's surface. The large land masses are known as the continents and the huge water bodies are called the ocean basins. All the oceans of the world are connected with one another. Look at the map of the world, figure 5.1. Are all the land masses connected with one another? The level of seawater remains the same everywhere. Elevation of land is measured from the level of the sea, which is taken as 0. Now the meaning of elevation is the height of a place, अर्थात किसी स्थान की ऊंचाई. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is 8,848 meters above the sea level. The greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Could you imagine that depth of sea is much more than the highest point? So student, it is enough for today. I hope you have heard properly and try to learn difficult word meanings. If you have any doubt, you can ask or comment on my WhatsApp number. Till stay safe, stay happy, good luck, all the way.